In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to protect your documents or simply want to brand them with your logo, adding a watermark is a great way to do it. Let's take a closer look at how to achieve this step by step. First off, you'll want to open the PDF file that you plan to watermark in Acrobat Pro. Having your document ready is crucial as it's where we'll be doing all the customization. Once you've got your PDF open, navigate to the Tools section. From there, you'll find the option to Edit PDF. This is where the magic happens. Alternatively, you can also locate the Edit option in the global bar, which serves the same purpose. Following that, you will find the Watermark option. Select it and then click on Add. This will take you straight to the Add Watermark dialog box. Now, let's delve into configuring your watermark in this dialog box. The first thing you'll need to decide is the source of your watermark. You have two main choices here. You can either choose text and type in the watermark text that you'd like to use, or you can select File if you prefer to use an image, such as your company logo, as the watermark. Picking the right type of watermark depends on your personal or professional preference. Once that is decided, you can move on to customize the appearance of your watermark. Here, you have plenty of options to explore. You can adjust the font style and size, change the color to something that stands out or blends subtly, modify the opacity to decide how transparent you want the watermark to be, adjust the rotation, and finally set the position on the page. You could place it in the center, have it run diagonally, position it behind the text, or even up front. The choice is yours. The positioning also leads us to another optional feature, the page range. If you don't need the watermark on every page, this is where you can define which pages it should appear on. Whether it's all pages, a particular range, or even just odd or even pages, this feature gives you complete control over where your watermark is applied. After you've configured all these settings, make sure to take a glance at the preview, if your version of Adobe Acrobat Pro offers one, so you can ensure everything looks just as you want it. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click OK to apply the watermark to your document. The final step is just as important as adding the watermark itself: saving your work. Be sure to save your PDF by navigating to File and clicking on Save or Save As. This ensures your watermark is embedded in the document, ready for sharing or publication. And there you have it, a professionally watermarked document using Adobe Acrobat Pro in just a few simple steps.